Today, we're tapping on something that underlies almost every block we've ever worked on: self confidence. Because at the root of the fear of being seen, the fear of taking action, the fear of wanting too much, the fear of success, at the root of almost all of it is a quiet, persistent belief that you're not quite enough, not quite ready, not quite worthy, not quite the kind of person who gets to have what they want and show up fully in the world. And that belief, however subtle, however deeply buried, is the single most expensive thing you're carrying because it doesn't just affect how you feel, it affects every decision you make, every opportunity you take or leave, every room you walk into, every time you hold back when you could have gone for it. Today, we're clearing that belief at the root. And we're stepping into the version of you who shows up, who goes for it, who backs themselves completely, not because everything is perfect, not because all the fear is gone, but because you've decided fully and without apology that you are enough. You always were. And it's time to start acting like it. So close your eyes and take a breath in through your nose. Hold it and let it go. With your eyes still closed, think about a situation where you wish you had shown up more confidently, a moment where you held back when you could have stepped forward, where you stayed quiet when you had something real to say, where you played it safe when you knew the bold move was the right one. Feel into that moment. Feel the hesitation, the self doubt, the quiet voice that said, "Not yet, not you, not now." And then imagine that same situation with a completely different version of you in it. The version who backs themselves, who speaks up, who goes for it, who moves through the world with a quiet, settled, unshakable confidence that doesn't need external validation because it comes from somewhere deeper. Feel what that person feels like. That's who we're becoming today. Now take a breath in, hold it, and open your eyes. Now we're going to do EFT tapping, known as emotional freedom techniques and also called tapping. So just tap where I'm tapping and say what I say. So repeat after me. Even though I've been holding back because part of me doesn't feel confident enough to fully show up, I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. Even though there's a quiet, persistent belief that I'm not quite enough, and it's been affecting every area of my life, I choose to love and honor myself and start clearing that belief today. Even though confidence hasn't always come naturally to me, and part of me wonders if it ever will, I choose to deeply and completely love and accept myself, and I'm choosing to become that person right now. All this self doubt, all this not feeling quite enough, not quite ready, not quite worthy, not quite the kind of person who gets to have this. All this holding back, all this playing it safe, when the bold move was always available to me. And it isn't that I'm bad or broken. I just absorbed messages along the way that made me question myself, that made me shrink, that made me wait for permission that I was never going to get from outside. Because the only permission that matters was always mine to give. I'm clearing every belief that I'm not enough, clearing at a cellular level, clearing all the way back through my past. Every moment I was made to feel less than. Every time I was overlooked or dismissed. Every time I talked myself out of going for it. Every time I let self-doubt make the decision. I'm releasing all of it now because confidence isn't the absence of fear. It's deciding that what I have to offer matters more than the fear. And what I have to offer is real. It is valuable. It is needed. And the world doesn't get the benefit of it when I stay small. So I'm choosing to stop staying small. I am backing myself completely and without apology. I am showing up fully in every room I walk into, in every conversation I have, in every opportunity that comes my way. I am the kind of person who goes for it, and I'm becoming more of that person every single day. I don't need to be perfect to be confident. I just need to be present and committed to myself. I trust myself. I back myself. I believe in what I have to offer, and I'm done waiting for someone else to confirm that. I am confirming it right now. I am confident, not because everything is figured out, but because I have decided that I am enough. that I am ready, that I am worthy of going for it fully in my body, in my mind, and in my soul. Close your eyes, take a breath in, hold it, and let it go. With your eyes still closed, come back to the situation, that situation you thought about at the beginning, the one where you wish you had shown up more confidently. Now play it again, but with this version of you, the one who just backed themselves completely, the one who cleared the self doubt and decided they were enough. Notice how differently that scene plays out. Notice how differently you feel in it, how you speak, how you carry yourself, how you move through it with that quiet, settled knowing that you belong there. That is not a fantasy. That is the real you, the you that was always underneath all the programming. Let that version settle into your body right now as your new default, because that's exactly who you are becoming. Take a breath in, hold it, and open your eyes. Self confidence isn't something you're born with or without, it's something you build, one cleared block at a time, one bold decision at a time, one moment of backing yourself at a time. And every time you come back to this session and choose yourself a little more fully, that confidence gets stronger, more natural, more automatic, until the version of you that holds back starts to feel like the stranger. And the version of you that shows up fully goes for it boldly and backs themselves completely because because the only version you know is you, the confident you. So that's where we're headed. And you just took a powerful step in that direction. Make sure to drink a glass of water after tapping, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for doing the work.